ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್. इसका ನಾನು ಒಂಚೂರು ಹಿಂದಿಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಮ್ಮವರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. सॉरी
मिक्स ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್, नो प्रॉब्लम.
ये जो मूवी करने के लिए जो मेरे को ऑफर दिया है, मैं स्पेशली थैंक्स बोलना चाहता हूँ मेरा प्रोड्यूसर सर को, मेहता सर को. और ये सभी अचीव करने के लिए मेरा हीरो, जो कुछ भी मैं कंपोज कर रहा था उसका साथ दिया मेरा हीरो. और मेरा दोस्त, मेरा बचपन का यार है. एक्चुअली फर्स्ट फिल्म से मैं और डायरेक्टर साथ पे काम कर रहे हैं. और एक्शन के बारे में बोलना है तो मैं इंडस्ट्री में आके 23 इयर्स 25 इयर्स हो गया मेरा आके, 26 ईयर रनिंग. बट मेरा अंदर जो है एक्शन ऐसा करना है, ऐसा सोचना है, जो कुछ भी मैं सोचता हूँ ना, उसके लिए राइट टाइम ये आया था मेरे को. मेरा लाइफ कैरियर में राइट टाइम ये आया मेरे को. लेकिन इसमें एक्सपेशली मेरा एक्चुअली एक्शन ही बहुत है. एक्सपेशली दो मेन सीक्वेंस के लिए बोलना चाहता हूँ. उसके लिए गट्स चाहिए. गट्स का मतलब मेरा प्रोड्यूसर है, और कुछ नहीं बोलना चाहता हूँ. लेकिन उसका पीछे जो कुछ भी एक्शन करने के टाइम पे स्टंट जो कुछ भी कर रहा था, जो इसको डबल नहीं डाल सकते हम, हमारा हीरो को डबल नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि मतलब उसका मजल, उसका जो कुछ भी फिट है बॉडी, उसका डबल कहाँ से ढूंढ के आएंगे. लेकिन जो कुछ भी किया है ओरिजिनल वही किया है. इसके लिए उसको एक्शन प्रिंस करके दिखाया, और कुछ नहीं बोल सकता हूँ. और ये एक्शन जो कुछ भी कोरियोग्राफ करने से पहले हम लोग, मैं और अर्जुन सभी बैठ के पूरा एक मतलब स्टोरी बोर्ड बना के, प्रीवियस बना के, सब कुछ अप्रूव करने के बाद बजट के पास आए के, और एक मेरे से एक छोटा सा गलती भी हो गया. प्रोड्यूसर सर को नुकसान हुआ. वो मस्टैंग का चेस जो है, वो गाड़ी का पूरा नुकसान हो गया था. इधर ही बॉम्बे रेलवे स्टेशन के पास किया था. लेकिन सॉरी सर, अगेन स्टेज में मैं बोल रहा लेकिन वो सर ने बोला वो कुछ भी होने दो, लेकिन अच्छा दिया ना, थैंक यू करके बोला. अभी भी अर्जुन सर बोल रहे थे और मेरा हीरो बोल रहे थे, प्री क्लाइमैक्स में जो है एक्शन, सब ऑडियंस को जो एक्शन का जो लव करता है, आज तक आपका साउथ का जो कुछ भी एक्शन आप देख रहे, एंटायर इंडिया, अभी वर्ल्ड में आप एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. हम हिंदुस्तान का लोग किसी काम के लिए कम नहीं है. हम जो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, इससे भी ज्यादा कुछ भी कर सकते हैं कर बोलने के लिए. मार्टिन मूवी एक बड़ा ये बोलने के लिए चाहता हूं मैं. और कुछ सर?
बहुत बड़ा दिल है सर, मस्टैंग उड़वा दी सर. ऐसे होने चाहिए प्रोड्यूसर साहब के लिए. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. हाउ आई विश आई कुड से सर, एक जैसे एक्टर सिंगर आते हैं, हम बोलते हैं एक डायलॉग मार दो, एक गाना सुना दो. हाउ आई विश आई कुड आस्क यू टू.
आप चले गए तो मैं कहां से करूं?
इसीलिए तो जा रहा हूं.
नहीं, आपको उठा के डाला तो अच्छा.
गिव इट अप फॉर हिम लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. एक बार जोरदार तालियां सर के लिए.
I really want to see that. Please ಉಟಾ के फेंक दो.
ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಸರ್, ಆ ನುಕ್ಸಾನ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಫಾರ್ ಶೋರ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಅದು ರೀಪೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅದಾಗಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಮನಸಾರ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂತ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಖಂಡಿತ ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ರವಿ ವರ್ಮಾ ಸರ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೆಸ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 11 ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್.
थैंक यू सर फॉर टॉकिंग टू अस. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर.
मैं सॉरी एक वर्ड बोलना चाहता हूँ. अभी जो कुछ भी आप ट्रेलर में एक्शन जो कुछ भी देखा है, एंटायर माय स्टंट टीम, मैं ये बोलना भूल गया था, सॉरी. लेकिन मेरा टीम जो मेरे साथ जो कुछ भी साथ दिया है, वो आउटपुट है आप जो देखा है. उनको भी एक तालियां चाहता हूं मैं आपसे.
A big round of applause for his stunt team. Thank you बातचीत करने के लिए. And now from action choreographer, ladies and gentlemen, to dance choreographer, again a leading name in the industry, ladies and gentlemen, Imran साहब के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. Come on, give it up for him. Hoy hoy. Look at this look, man. Shamira, he's like with shades and all, he's killing it already.
He's the favorite one, ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಹಿಟ್ ಹಾಡುಗಳಿಗೆ
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅರ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ ಟು ಟಾಕ್ ಆನ್ ಬಿಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ದ ವಿಜುವಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಔಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಸೇ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಸಿ ದ ಟ್ರೇಲರ್, ವೆನ್ ಐ ಸಾ ದ ಟ್ರೇಲರ್, I had a little bit of a privilege to see it a little early as a team member. What I could feel in this, and it's by heart I'm trying to tell you, and I'm telling you this by heart, that when I saw Arnold in Commando and Stallone in Rambo and Dhruva Sarja in Martin is what I felt. That is the energy he's carrying on screen, and that is what we all are loving, and we need all your blessings. So please bless us, see the trailer and enjoy. Thank you very much. This is what I would
like to do. Thank you so much sir. एक कुछ hook step बनता है,
वो दिखाऊंगा सर song के टाइम पे.
बाद में we'll do that. Thank you so much sir. Give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen. Ravi sir would like to add something, please.
please watch trailer 1, then we'll discuss.
Oh, this is the confidence that we like, yeah? But talk to us about the teaser now. What was the most difficult thing, sir?
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ
Capturing all-
ಮಾರ್ಟಿನ್ ಜರ್ನಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
We'll discuss. ಅದೇ 25 years ನಾನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾಟೋಗ್ರಫರ್ ಆಗಿ.
ವಾವ್.
ಇದೊಂದು ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿಗೆ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ಟೀಮ್.
ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಅವಾಗಿದ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಇದು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಾರಿನರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಇದು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನೀವೇನು ನೋಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಈ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರೂ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಧ್ರುವ ಸರ್, ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಈ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಒಂದು 17 days ಸಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕೊರಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಧ್ರುವ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಅವ್ರ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಏನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರು ಈ ಸಾಂಗ್ಸು, ಈ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ಸು, ಈ ಟೀಸರ್ ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ಇಷ್ಟು ಅದ್ಧೂರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾರಣ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರೇ ಕಾರಣ. ತುಂಬ ಶ್ರಮ ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರು ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ. ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ರು AP ಸಾರು, ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಆಫ್ ಶಿಪ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರ ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನೇನಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. AP ಸರ್ ವರ್ಕು ಅಷ್ಟು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಸರ್ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಇಮ್ರಾನ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ರವಿವರ್ಮ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಸೂರ್ ಸರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಲ್ಲ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you everyone. From Ugram till Martin.
ಮಿಡ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ KGF.
Every movie you guys are recognized me. Thank you for the opportunity. And thanks to Mehta sir. ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೀರೋ. ಸೊ ಸಿನಿಮಾ मैंने जब पहली बार मूवी देखा, so then only I have decided. So I want to make something different. बाकी का मूवी मैंने जो किया है, so it's a little different for me, and I have tried little different in this background score. I think we first 20 minutes you will get what you have spent in the tickets. Right. So that's the guarantee I give. Thank you very much for the opportunity. Thank you very much.
He said, "Okay, Abhi." That's what. He's given that.
Only sound can.
Thank you so much, sir, for talking to us. Dhruva, sir, I have a question for you. Before we take the questions from our friends, from the media, from across the globe, the first question that I'd like you to answer is, Mumbai mein ghum liye, you've been enjoying the vada pavs, the auto rides. So how has the experience been till date? And I believe this is your first time in Mumbai, is it? Oh, it is. Come on, yeah. Ek baar zordar thaliya. Come on, chappade, and we'll welcome him. The loudest round of applause.
Kasakai Mumbai.
Oi, hoi, hoi.
Just to answer your question, I was being real, bro. I am really comfortable being real. I don't want to fake around, like not eating masal puri, pani puri. I am like this. So he's grown up like this. He made us to mingle with everybody. So we are like this, bro.
Amazing.
Let me introduce myself because so many people don't know who I am. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪತ್ರಕರ್ತರಿಗೆ, ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸ್ತಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಾಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ. ಮೈ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಧ್ರುವ ಸರ್ಜಾ, a Kannada film actor. I'm only 4 movies old. This is my 5th movie. And with the love and support of my family, fans and the people of Karnataka, I have come till here. This is my first worldwide press meet about our Indian movie called Martin. I'm feeling truly proud and overwhelmed to be present here. Kindly excuse us if we make any mistakes and show some love. Let's begin.
All right. So here we go. How do we begin? Where do we start?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the big question right now.
Where do we start from?
I think, where do we take the first question from?
Okay.
Okay, as we said, it's an international press meet for the first time in our country. ये क्या हो रहा है यार बार-बार?
our international press to take charge for next 21 minutes.
We'll start with our friends from the international media. डरा क्यों रहे हो यार? Martin से ही करवा लेते ना ये. Okay, so where do we get our first question from? Yeah.
Hi, my name is Laila. I'm representing FTV Film Award Hong Kong. My question for Dhruva, and why is there a tattoo which says India on your hand, and what do you have to say about India?
You want me to talk about India? India is the 7th largest country in the world, 5th in economy. Globally, we are 14.6 plus billion people with 12 different religions. In our country, we talk around 121 plus languages and 465 unscripted, means there is no lipi for that. About movie, we entertain all kind of movies with open arms. We are one of the biggest entertainment industries in the entire world. We also produce a large number of movies compared to other countries. There is so many things about India, and one interesting is Martin. And yeah. And we are one country where we have 2 electrifying stories which we all believe have happened. That's Ramayana and Mahabharata. And I'm proud to say we are in God's own country. I forgot to mention, welcome everyone to God's own country, India. And about the tattoo, please you have to wait till October 11th, so you'll get the answer, please. Thank you so much. Jai Anjanaya.
Hi, hello everyone. My name is Wafi Taruki. I'm from Rooks Media, UK. First of all, congratulations, what a mind-blowing trailer. So my question is for Dhruva Sarja. What is the reason behind going worldwide? Like, why you going like international?
Indian cinema has universal appeal, and it's time the world sees the incredible stories we tell. Plus, it's about showcasing our talent on a global stage. Honestly, as an actor, I wanted to get established. And according to producer, he wanted to generate more money out of this project. Honestly, yeah, that is the reason for going worldwide.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ingrid. I'm here representing East Wave Radio, South Africa. And my question is for Dhruva. Why choose this script? I mean, the main reason behind it.
The script had everything I was looking for, like intense actions, a gripping storyline, unique screenplay, and a character with depth. Plus, it's kind of a movie that will make you sit on the edge of your seat. Honestly, trust me, after watching this movie, everybody will be proud of Indian cinema. And one main reason is, story was written by my godfather, the legend, Arjun Sarja.
Thank you.
Hi, Dhruva. This is Shani from the Brew News UAE. So, the movie is going to launch like on October 11th. Teaser came in 2023 February. What so long time, almost 20 months for the preparation?
Sir, good things do take time, we believe. We wanted every detail in perfect, and sometimes perfection can't be rushed, you know. Honestly, we took 150, we shot for 250 days for 150 minutes. We were that particular, not only me, I shouldn't say that. I should say this movie is a technician's movie, because Ravi Verma Master is a great technician, Imran Master, Satya Hegde, the cameraman, cinematographer, he is very famous, and Murali Master, all my technicians worked hard. They didn't even compromise in one frame also. So that is the main reason I can say.
Hello, good evening. I'm Nisha from the Asian Weekly from Kenya. My question is to you, Dhruva. I just want to ask, what message or theme do you hope your audiences will take from the movie Martin?
Always believe in the power of perseverance. Never give up, no matter how tough the battle is. Just keep going. We have told this in cinematic way. So that is one message, I think so. Yeah. Thank you.
Hi, good evening. This is Akanksha here from FilmFare Middle East, Dubai. First of all, congratulations, because this looks like such a superb, ambitious film. And when people are talking about pan-India, you're going pan-global, pan-world. So congratulations for that. And how do you think the international audience will resonate with Martin? How do you think that the international audience will resonate with the movie Martin?
Definitely, because they get connected, because it's a universal theme. The universal theme of struggle and triumph are relatable worldwide. It's a story for everyone. We have all expressions. We call it Navarasas, means all 9 expressions. You can witness that within 150 minutes. You can witness that, and it is a universal theme, so everybody can understand. And yeah, that is the thing.
Hi, good evening. My name is Kamal Kaur. I'm from Nairobi, Kenya, representing the Asian Weekly. My question is for the very beautiful Webby. I wanted to ask you, what sets apart, how does Indian cinema set apart from the rest of the world? How does it set apart? What is so special about Indian cinema that it's like, wow. Also, congratulations, this trailer is epic.
Thank you. Firstly, welcome to India. Yeah. And what sets apart India is the diversity that we have, the languages, the cultures that we share. And in India, the cinema that we show is all about the lives of the people in real life, and it resonates vice versa. So I'm sure as you explore India, you would love the cinema Martin, which we bring to Globe, and you will experience the similar taste, sweetness, which India has to offer. Yeah. Thank you.
Hi, Natalie from Asian Culture Vulture here from the UK. I have 2 questions. Firstly, for the king of action himself, Arjun sir, when you were writing the story, it's no secret that your surname is Sarja and that you are, as you said, the godfather of the prince. Did you always have this young man in mind as your lead? Or did he have to audition and it was a lucky coincidence?
Before answering your question, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And respected media, and the honorable guests here, and the cast and crew of Martin. Good evening, everyone. And it's a fantabulous get-together here. This is the first time I'm being in the industry for 44 years. First time I'm seeing like global press. And again, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಭಾಷೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ. There are so many languages I can see here. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರುವಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಪತ್ರಿಕೋದ್ಯಮದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು, ಸ್ವಾಗತ. தமிழ்நாட்டிலிருந்து வந்திருக்கும் எல்லா பத்திரிகை நண்பர்களுக்கும் என்னுடைய முதற்கண் வணக்கம். ఆంధ్రేంది వచ్చిన మన పత్రికోద్యములందరికీ నా నమస్కారం, స్వాగతం. అండ్ ఆల్ మై మలయాళం ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఆశంసകൾ. అండ్ ನಮ್ಮ बॉलीवुड प्रेस, सबको नमस्कार, प्रणाम, स्वागत है. And most of the people know who I am here, but few, they don't know me. I don't want to take chance. I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Arjun Sarja, and I'm an actor, predominantly working in South Indian films. I direct, produce, and sometimes write also. And I'm like dinosaur. This is the fourth, it's almost like 44 years I'm in the industry now. Acted 190 films, odd films as a hero in movies. So today, why I'm here, I have three reasons. Number one is, as I told you, this is the first time I'm meeting the press like this. At any cost, I didn't want you to miss this opportunity. And the second reason is, I prefer calling the hero of this movie, Dhruva, as my son rather than my sister's son. So he's very, very close to my heart, so I'm here. And the third reason is, as you all already know, that I've done the story and screenplay for this. And and again, I'm sorry, I welcome our media friends from different part of the world who has come here. And thank you so much. And I welcome you from the bottom of my heart on behalf of our Indian film industry and Team Martin. Thank you so much for coming all the way from there. And I'm sorry, I forgot my questions.
The question was, did you write it specifically for this young man here?
Yes, basically somebody was asking a question to Dhruva that was this subject to coincidence. It's not coincidence because see the kind of fans he has. This is his fifth movie. I don't know what magic he has done. They are hysterical. And basically he calls his fans not fans, he calls them VIPs. Very important. That's how he, So they expect so much from him. I haven't seen any actor, just he's 5 movies old. People expect so much from him. And then we were breaking our head, like what to write for him. And this is the first combination we are working together, me as a writer and he is an actor. So I was thinking what to write. Should be something big. And then this story happened. And thanks to our another hero, Mr. Uday Mehta, without him nothing could have happened. See, sometimes we write on paper, we write the situations, everything, but to make it happen with this kind of outcome, the producer should have that passion. So we have that kind of producer who has spent enormously on the project, and I really wish him more awards and rewards also. I pray God.
May I ask Dhruva a question? Firstly, can I just say, from watching the trailer, your personality is so different from the very gentle, mild person that we met yesterday at dinner. Truly, signs of a very good actor to be two totally different people. My question for you, I'm obviously from UK. Over the years, more and more, we are seeing more and more Indian cinema reaching our shores. I just wanted to get your thoughts on the evolution of Indian cinema as a whole and its kind of global reach, with regards also to Martin.
It's phenomenal. Indian cinemas is breaking barriers and proving that we have stories worth telling on a global stage. There are so many recent movies got released, like Kantara and so many movies. It got connected. So, and we have a great platform like various OTT platforms we have. Everybody can watch in regional movies. So yeah, we are one button away. So we should make use of these platforms. So that is the reason. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Hello. Yeah, hi. Good evening, everybody. My name is Hesha Chima. I'm representing India Today today. Congratulations on such a blockbuster trailer. We're looking forward to more such things coming. The trailer 2, I think, is going to be even more fantastic. What I do want to ask is, my question is directed to you, Dhruva. You've said that you're 4 films old, but you've been in the industry for over a decade now. Could you take us all through a little bit of your learnings that you've had via your experiences, and what's been your biggest takeaway so far?
Watching my uncle movies, his dedication, determination, his commitment towards movies, and his charisma made me follow his footsteps. I know there are so many people got inspired by him. Honestly, proudly I can say I am one among them. So when I asked him how I want to become an actor, he didn't talk to me for 2 days. Then he told, anybody can become an actor. Start thinking that you want to become actor first, then learn everything. So I told I want to become a hero. He told no, you should become an actor. Think you should become an actor. Anybody can become a hero, he told. Yeah, he's my inspiration, role model, and honestly, he's my superhero. Thank you so much.
No, basically, I just want to add on to his answer. His brother is Chiranjeevi, and unfortunately he's not with us now. But for Chiranjeevi, I trained him. I trained him in all, to become an actor. I trained him so much, gymnastics, what all you need to be an actor. But for this fellow, I didn't do anything. He's like Ekalavya. He just learned himself. I didn't even launch him. He's the one who launched him. Because we had a production house, and I'm a director. My brother was a director. We wanted to launch. But remotely, he learned everything. One day I saw him like doing a wheelie on a bike, and he fell. He fell. And he is a very good boxer. Very good boxer, and I can define him, though he's a small boy for me. Even I learned something from him. No, see, basically the dedication, the hard work, and the consistency. People will work out or keep doing things, but consistently doing that is very, very important. If you see his previous film, there's nothing graphically generated. In first half, he'll be like a thin boy, school-going boy. He'll be, I think, some 50 kgs. And the second half, it was like, you should see his arms. It's like 22 inches of arms. He was this big. Nothing graphically generated. He just took 3 or 4 months gap. He worked out very hard. See, that's the kind of dedication he has. Just because he was saying that I'm his inspiration, basically things changes. So he has become our inspiration now.
Hi. Hello, good evening. My name is Dewi from Indonesia. I'm representing Cinemax. I have rather a unique question for Dhruva outside of the movie about meme culture. Meme culture. Yeah. How do you receive it? How do you personally receive the meme culture in your daily life? Thank you.
Meme culture?
Yeah. Thank you.
Memes. Yes, I love it. Okay, tell me, if you're not a meme, are you even famous? It's all part of the fun and keeps things light-hearted. Yeah. Until unless it is vulgar, even I enjoy it, ma'am. Thank you.
Good evening. I'm Balenhle Zuma from South Africa. I represent Sunday World. My question is to any of you guys, what's your ideal movie genre?
I play a role called Arjun. It's a suspense thriller movie with action packed in it. And the movie
Nah! You're not supposed to reveal!
Okay. I'm sorry for that. Martin told not to reveal. I'm sorry.
Wow. Next question, please.
Hi, I'm Angel from Bureau UAE. First of all, congratulations. Trailer was awesome and action was outstanding. My question is to the heroine. What efforts did you take in preparing for the role?
Hello. So before I could answer your question, let me also introduce myself. I am Vaibhavi Chandelier and I've been in this industry since 7 years. मैंने कन्नड़ा, तमिल, तेलुगु इन भाषाओं में काम किया है, लेकिन मार्टिन ये मेरी पहली फिल्म है जो बड़ी फिल्म बोलते हैं करियर की, और मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ और आप सभी का आशीर्वाद चाहती हूँ कि मैं अपनी एक करियर के जर्नी का एक मोड ले रही हूँ, एक बिगिनिंग है ये मेरे लिए, तो आप सभी का आशीर्वाद चाहिए मुझे, प्लीज़ सपोर्ट कीजिए. एंड ऑल्सो टू द मीडिया हु इज़ कम फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड, दिस इज़ अ टेस्टिमेंट टू द ग्लोब दैट our movie Martin has been reaching places all over the globe, and really happy for your presence and enormous support. Please show us this love even when we release the movie and after that also. And getting back to your question, ma'am, efforts. Firstly, I would like to say that how did I get this movie? Because shayad naseeb mein thi, I would say it was in my fate, because I met producer, director, DOP sir, Satya sir, and I think my audition and pictures were been sent in the production house, and Dhruva sir and Arjun Sarja sir had also been a huge part in my selection. I just had, like, I already wanted a film in my career कि ऐसी कोई अच्छी फिल्म मिले, बहुत, क्योंकि मैं फिल्मी बैकग्राउंड से नहीं हूँ. I've started my journey by my own experience, and I just got selected in this. So firstly, thank you to the whole team. Thank you AP Arjun sir, my director. Thank you Arjun Sarja sir, my co-actor Dhruva sir. I should say one thing about him. यहाँ पे एकदम एक्शन प्रिंस की तरह दिख रहे हैं, लेकिन रियल लाइफ में अभी जैसे दिख रहे हैं ना, ऐसे ही है और जेंटलमैन है. एंड हमारे शेर दिल प्रोड्यूसर, इनके बारे में तो क्या ही कहे, आपको देख के ही पता चल रहा है. सो मेरी तैयारी अबाउट दिस फिल्म was not really easy because Kannada is not my mother tongue. I speak Marathi, Hindi, English and other few languages here and there. Language was the only difficult part for me, but I made sure that I'll be doing all my lines by myself. I do not like taking prompts, so as to sit with all my dialogues 10-15 minutes bolo, ya fir even if there is some changes in the lines, I would just take my time, make sure that I'm performing it well so that my director is happy because he's such a director, he would never be okay. आपको समझ में आ रहा है 3 साल लग चुके हैं इस फिल्म को बनाने के लिए. क्यों? क्योंकि भाई ये बोलेंगे अच्छा करो और ना मैं नहीं ओके करूँगा. So that is one of the reasons. In तैयारी और बोलूँ तो I'm playing a role. Her name is Preeti, and just how her name is Preeti, love, which means love. So I'm bringing the love segment to the movie. And she's a small town girl, embodies confidence, bravery, and in the film, how pivotal her role is and the twists and turns that it takes is all about that.
Thank you.
मुंबईची मुलगी आहे मी. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Yes, Anvesh.
Hi, hello everyone. Thank you so much for being here. You're so senior to me personally, and we are really glad. I'm saying this on the behalf of our team because I know, Martin, how much work has gone into it. और क्योंकि हम Bangalore से यहाँ पर आए हैं, I cannot even imagine कि how we could pull off this international press meet. So thank you so much for being here, guys. So speaking of the preparation that you had asked me what I have done for the movie, I would say not really much. I'll tell you how I got selected for the movie. I want to take you back to the journey of me. So I am Anveshi Jain, and it is something that nobody would expect from a small town called Khajuraho, an engineer and an MBA holder who would one day see herself with such big stars and team on screen, on such a big screen. So it is a dream come true, and to be very honest, until today, so I was there in the other press meet that we had on the teaser launch in Bangalore. That was the first time when I could witness. So because I'm a part of the film, when we are shooting, we get an idea how big the project would be. But it had surpassed my expectation back then that, oh my God, I am a part of such a big film. So I come from OTT background. I have done shows, OTT shows here in Bombay, and my first show got me the title of Most Googled Actors 2020. And this is how I got this film. On Instagram, they saw me. I somehow resembled the character of a gangster. I don't know whether I should say it as a compliment or something else, but they found the character in me. So they thought that it would be very easy for me for the way I am on my social media. And after starting the preparation of it, I had to prepare for fight scenes and I had to do a lot of workouts. And then in between, I got injured and I could not come on shoot because I had a very severe injury, which our producer, Uday sir, director sir, understood and gave me that particular time to heal and then get back on set. So it was very cooperative. But having said that, I had no clue that I was a part of such a huge film which is actually going to be global, not just Indian, because I was already very proud of the fact that Kannada industry, out of all, Kannada industry is becoming an inspiration for Bollywood and for, in some parts, I would say even Hollywood, the action that you see. And you know the best part is that I'm proud of this film because of the human emotions, the connect. As somebody asked Dhruv, that what is the reason, why do you think international audience would be interested in watching a film wherein you are having a tattoo which says Indian? The fact of the matter is, it's not about India or Pakistan or war among countries. It is about one single intent and motive that drives you crazy. So you may find your hero in him, you may find that alter ego in him, you may feel that rage for that one particular intent that you would do anything to achieve. And that motive is so strongly aligned with no matter what race you are, that it will actually make you connect with him instantly. Doesn't matter the color or the cast or the place. So being a part of the film, I know the driving force is translating so well in the entire film, not just in the trailer. We assume that, okay, trailer is nice, the teaser is great. I hope the storytelling may somewhere, lack, but I assure you it's not going to. Because you think it's heavy on action, we feel that the emotions may not do the justice. But I tell you, Arjun sir has written the script. You can be just rest assured of the fact that it's a wholesomeness of visual treat, of the actions that we have done, of AP Arjun sir's extreme efforts. I want to tell you one thing. I won't take much of your time, but this man deserves this for you to know. So basically, when I have shot for other South films as well, I've done Telugu with Ravi Teja sir and other films I've done. Not much, but I have done some work. And I have never seen any man taking so much effort and time and hours and days to perfect one particular scene. So there was a scene wherein I was supposed to jump from down to a truck, and that was supposed to be taken up by chopper. And that scene, itne meticulously he was perfecting it. And I was wondering, I don't know whether do we really need so many takes and so much of perfection, even if something is wrong behind, like if something is wrong behind which you will not notice, he will redo the entire thing and we will shoot it again. And that conviction, that precision, and that devotion, now I know. And my respect for him has grown multifolds for that learning that I have had on set. So that would be, thank you so much.
Martin commands. Girls, put your guns down right now.
Yes.
Hello, I am Muhammad Asad, Egyptian journalist. First of all, thank you for having us, and it is really great pleasure and wonderful chance to meet all of you. My question for to Drova, during the filming of Martin, were there any particular challenges, scenes, or moments during the film?
Challenging scenes.
Especially the climax part. Physically, emotionally, I was so exhausted. But after watching the final output, like after the final trim, I thought it is so worth it. Especially the climax. It was composed by Ravi Verma Master and Ram Lakshman Master. Yeah, the climax part I can say. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Here.
She's there. Okay.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am, please.
Hi, my name is Shireen Sharif. I'm from BBC World Service in London. I actually first I want to congratulate you all on for this film. It's very obvious how much work and effort you are putting in this film to make it a turning point for the Indian film in general, to step out of India and goes viral around the world. So good luck with that. I have two questions, one for the Brains of Action and the other one is for Audi, the producer. So I'll start with Dorva. Is it right? No.
Yes. It's cute.
Thank you. Excuse my accent.
That's
because
okay.
with
It's
the
beautiful
Indian
to hear.
names.
No
Thank
problem.
you. So the question is, we see a lot of action heroes in many films. What was the special thing about Martin that attracted you to do the character that you wanted to highlight to audience? Should I say the second question now and then you answer, or later?
No, later.
Okay.
Actions are same in all the movies, but the way we react to the situation is always different. And also it depends on fight masters and how they compose the fight. Every movie has its audience, and every movie is a director's visualization. And yeah, I think I'm sure this movie will be unique in commercial ways. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. Second question.
Thank you. My question to Audi. You trying to make the film international, so you must have deals with this different distribution around the world in different countries or regions. So if you already have a deal or not, or if you can reveal that, and which companies or which people you want to reveal the names?
Actually, 6 months before I started getting mails and inquiries. People started to reach me out, and they showed interest to dub in their own languages. And because of their interest, I spoke with my team, and then we came to a conclusion that few countries already where Indian films are popular. So we thought when 2-3 inquiries are there, concretely we are doing, we added another 3 to 4. So we are giving an option for them, other than Indian languages, they have their own local language to watch. So that is the first time any Indian film has taken this step. So we are experimenting that probably next, if we succeed in what we are doing, it will be a door opening for the others. So we are thinking in a very positive way. Everything we are doing, first time we are doing a international press meet. So I hope you all are there to reach out our film to them, and we hope good associations will happen.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Dhruva. How are you?
I'm great, boss.
Is it working this? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I'm Derek Anthony Isaacs. I'm managing editor of Yella in Abu Dhabi and Dubai, UAE. I just want to say thank you for being you. Thank you for your hospitality last night at the dinner that all his international journalists attended. And my question for you is, what's the greatest piece of advice that you've ever received, and from whom?
Stay true to yourself. It was advised by my amma, my mom. It is very simple, but trust me, it is very, very powerful. And also, I got an advice from my uncle not to sign any contract without reading. Yeah,
Good one. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, this is Jess from Canada, Vancouver. I'm representing Urban Asian. It's in a North American online website, and we write a lot of Bollywood and Hollywood. Thank you for having us. Thank you, Dhruv. My first question is for Dhruv. It's a little bit difficult. I'm gonna put it in your limbo. Are you a director's man or a producer's man?
Mic drop question.
Honestly, I am audience man. Okay, if I had to choose one, I'll say I am director's man, because he's the one who brings vision to life. And in the process of post-production one, I am producer's man, because it is my responsibility as an actor. I want to make him safe in revenue wise. And after the release, as I said, I am audience man.
Thank you, ma'am.
My second question is for AP Arjun, sir. I want to know, you have directed the film, and it's incredible. Whatever we saw so far is quite mind-blowing. I was like blown away with all the music going on and the action going on. My question to you is, what was the most difficult part of direction that you had to deal with this film? Thank you.
ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗಿನ್ನ ಮುಂಚೆ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಏಕೆಂತಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್, ತುಂಬ ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶಗಳಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಮೈ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ AP Arjun. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮಂಡ್ಯ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. Okay. My first movie directing my 23.5 years called Ambari, my first movie. After that, Dhruva's movie, Adduri, second one, 2012. And Ambari and Adduri, both are newcomers actually. Both films is very good revenue and 200 days running in theaters. After that, ಐರಾವತ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ರಾಟೆ, ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ನಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಓನ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್, ಒಂದು ಕಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಮಾರ್ಟಿನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ. ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ. ಅಂದರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು 3 ವರ್ಷದ ಕನಸು, ನನ್ನೊಬ್ಬಂದಲ್ಲ, ಇಡೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿತ್ರತಂಡದ್ದು. ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾನೊಬ್ಬನೇ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ, ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗೂ ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಂತಂಥ ನನ್ನ ಚಿತ್ರತಂಡ, ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮೊದಲು ಆ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಆಗುವಂಥವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್. ಆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ಯಾಷನೇಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಉದಯ್ ಮೆಹ್ತಾ ಅವರು. ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೊರಟಾಗ ನಾವು ಮೊದಲು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ತುಂಬ ಒಂದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಲೇ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಒಂದು 20 days ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಅನಿಸಿದ್ದು ಇದು ಏನೋ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ವಿಜುವಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಏನು ತಲುಪಿಸೋ ಒಂದು ವಿಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಧ್ರುವನ್ಗೆ ಸೇರಬೇಕು. ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಂತಂಥ ಆ ಚಿತ್ರತಂಡ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಮನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ರವಿ ಬಸ್ರೂರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥವ್ರು ಅವರು, ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಇದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಥ್ರಿಲ್ಲರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಸರ್ ಕತೆ ಬರೆದು ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ, ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಒಂದು ಐರಾವತ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ನು ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ನನಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕತೆ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ್ಲೇ ತುಂಬ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಥ್ರಿಲ್ಲರ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ನೆರೇಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನನ್ನ ರವಿ ವರ್ಮಾ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ರಾಮ್ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟಾಗಿ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಾಥ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥವ್ರು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ 9 to 10 ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು 4 to 5 ಚೇಸಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಂದು 5 to 6 ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಒಂದು 1.5 month ಕೂತು ಅದರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಹರ್ಸಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ನನಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನನ್ನ ಹೀರೋ ಧ್ರುವ. ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದರೆ ಅವನ್ನ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೇ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಈ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗಲೇ, ನನ್ನ ಇಡೀ ಚಿತ್ರತಂಡ, ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಮನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ನನ್ನ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ನನ್ನ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ನನ್ನ ಕೊರಿಯೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಂದ ಸೇರಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಆಗಿದೆ ಹೊರತು ನಾನೊಬ್ಬನಿಂದಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಚಿತ್ರತಂಡದ ಶ್ರಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನನಗೆ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾನ. ಏಕೆಂತಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರದು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ರವಿ ವರ್ಮಾ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ರವಿ ಬಸ್ರೂರ್ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸತ್ಯ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಅವ್ರು ನಿಂತ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಏನಾದರೂ ನಮ್ಮದು ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಯವರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂತು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ತುಂಬ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ನನ್ನ ತಂಡ ನನಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಮಾರ್ಟಿಂದ ಈ 2 ನಿಮಿಷದ ಏನು ಈ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಕೊಡೋಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಯಿತು. ಅದನ್ನು ಮೀರಿ October 11th ನೀವೇನು ಈಗ ಈ 2 ನಿಮಿಷದ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಏನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದನ್ನು ಮೀರಿ 2 ಗಂಟೆ 30 ನಿಮಿಷ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಶ್ರಮ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಹಿಂದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ನಿಮಿಷನೂ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ, ನನಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಇದು
Yes, in simple words, he explained that he enjoyed the whole process and the whole team of Martin, all the artists and all the technicians, they supported him a lot. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Arjun sir. Yes.
Hi, my name's James Torrell. I'm a freelance journalist from the UK. This is my first time in India, and I can honestly say I've not complained about how hot it is once.
Wow.
My question is for Devoya, and I was just wondering, can you give a glimpse into the character that you play in the film?
Okay, character ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. Yes. Already Martin has commanded that he cannot reveal his character, so we have to obey Martin's command, I guess.
Okay, I'll go for a different one.
Oh.
What kind of research did you do for the role?
I was just being director's actor. The research was done by director. I was being director's actor. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Once again, welcome back to India. Yes. Next.
Martin commands Kannada reporters to take control for the next 18 minutes.
ಹಲೋ
ಹಲೋ
ಧ್ರುವರೇ, ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಮಾಲ್ತೇಶ್ ಎಗಿನ್ ಅಂತ TV9 ಕನ್ನಡದಿಂದ.
ಗೊತ್ತಾ?
ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಭಾಷೆಯ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಿಂದ ನೀವು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಕನಸು ಶುರುವಾಯಿತು, ಈಗ ದೇಶದ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾಲಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಈಗ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗಿರುವಂಥ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಿನ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಚಾಲೆಂಜು ಮತ್ತು ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ಈಗ ತಲುಪ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥ ರೀತಿಗೆ ಈ ಮಾರ್ಟಿನ್ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬೂಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ರೀಚ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅದೇ ಟೀಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂಚೂರು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಗಿಂತ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಟೀಮೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಎಸ್ ಬ್ರೋ.
ಹಾಯ್ ಸರ್, ಲೋಕೇಶ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಸರ್ಜಾ ಸರ್ಗೆ. ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿರ್ದೇಶನದ ಬರಹದ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಪ್ರತಾಪ್, ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಈ ಥರದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬರವಣಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ದೇಶಭಕ್ತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎದ್ದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರದೊಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಡೋ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಯುದ್ಧ ಆಗಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದಾಗಲಿ ರೈವಲ್ರಿ ಇರಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ದಶಕ ಕಳೀತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಈ ದೇಶ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದಾಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಯುದ್ಧ ಅನ್ನೋದಾಗಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇತ್ತು ರೈಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ?
ಅಂದರೆ ಕತೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆದರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಕಥೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಪಣೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅದೇ ಇವಾಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಧ್ರುವನಿಗಿರೋ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್, ಧ್ರುವ ಒಂದು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸೀನ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ಸರಿ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾನು ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋವಾಗಲೂ ಇದು ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ನ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ನನ್ನ ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳು ಇದನ್ನು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರಾ? ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲ 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 ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದು ಕಾಲ ಹತ್ರ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಮಾಮ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಮ ಬೇರೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸೀನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಒಂದೊಂದು ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲೂ ತನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡದೆ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಅದೇ ಮೈನ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜು. ಇವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಕತೆ ಬರೆಯೋವಾಗಲೂ ಅದೇ, ನಾನು ಒಂಥರ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ವಿಚಾರ. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಮಾತುಕತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಸತಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅರೈವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
Hi sir, this is Ramesh from TV5 Kannada. Sir, you are a legendary Indian actor and you are a director, you are a producer, you are a writer. When you write the Martin story, you decided to give to AP Arjuns to direction. Why did you not direct Martin movie, sir? What is the secret of Arjuna's?
Why shouldn't he direct?
Yes sir, please tell sir.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸೇರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮೊದಲೇ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವರು. ಧ್ರುವನ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಧ್ರುವನ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅರ್ಜುನ್. ಸೊ ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೂವಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ತುಂಬ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಟೀಮ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕತೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್.
ನನಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಸರ್ ಕತೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ತುಂಬ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಜಾನರ್, ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಂದಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು 5 ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಲವ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ, ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಸರ್ ತುಂಬ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವಿಬ್ಬರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದಾಗ ಯಾಕೆ ಲವ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾನು ಒಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಥ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಅದು.
AP ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಸರ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಕೇಶವಮೂರ್ತಿ ಕನ್ನಡಪ್ರಭ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಲೆಜೆಂಡ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟರ್ ಬರೆದಿರುವಂಥ ಕಥೆನ ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತು ಒಂದು. ಎರಡನೇದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದಂಥ 2 ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ಅದು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಯಾಕೆ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಒಂದು ಕಾಂತಾರ, ಒಂದು ಡಿವೈನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಒಂದು ದೇವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ವು, ಬೇರೆ ಥರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ. KGF ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗು ಅನ್ನೋ ಥರದ್ದು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಮಾರ್ಟಿನ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ?
ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಸರ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡಿದಾಗೆಲ್ಲಾನು ದೇಶಾಭಿಮಾನ ಎದ್ದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 1:10 ದೇಶಾಭಿಮಾನ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ದೇಶಾಭಿಮಾನದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಎದ್ದು ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತು?
ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ. ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಸಿನಿಮಾ,
ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೀವೊಬ್ಬರು ರೈಟ್ರು, ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ರೈಟ್ರೇ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ರ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರ ಲೆಜೆಂಡರಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟರ್ದು ಕತೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಆಯಿತು?
ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಡ್. ಅವ್ರ ಕತೆ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ನಂಬಿ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ನನ್ನ ಕತೆನ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಇದೆ, ನನಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮೀರಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸೀನ್ಗಳನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಕತೆ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟಿಂದನೂ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಹಂತದಲ್ಲೂ. ಏಕೆಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣದು ಏನೋ ಒಂದಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರ ಕತೆ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಕತೆನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಇದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ನಾನು ಬರೆದಿರೋ ಕತೆಗಿನ್ನೂ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನನಗೆ. ಆ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇವತ್ತು ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ.
ಧ್ರುವ ಸರ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಜಾ ಟಿವಿಯಿಂದ. ವರ್ಷದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹಾಫಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ವಾಸ್ನ ಚಿತ್ರಗಳು ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ?
ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ?
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಕೇಳೋ.
ನಂಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಿತ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೋ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟೇ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ನ ಕೇಳೋ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಅದು.
ನಮಗಲ್ವಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅದು, ನನ್ನ ಕೇಳಬೇಕದು. ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಬ್ಬಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, 5 ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಬಂದರೂ ಜಾಗ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಭಾರತಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಟಿವಿಯಿಂದ ಧ್ರುವ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳಿಗಿಂತ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಹೈಪ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಒತ್ತಡನ ಅಥವಾ ಫೀಲ್ ಗುಡ್ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಹೇಗೆ ಭರವಸೆ ಮುಂದೆ?
ಹಾನೆಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮುಗಿಯೋವರೆಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಒತ್ತಡ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ನಿಜ. ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಒತ್ತಡ ಇರೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ರವಿ ಬಸೂರ್ ಸರು ಮತ್ತು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ರು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು 7ನೇ ರೀಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸು ಸೂಪರಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದರು. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ನಮಗೆ ಇವರು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಧೈರ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್. ಕನ್ನಡದ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಅವರು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರದ್ದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದೆ ಧ್ರುವ ಸರ್. ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
Hello, I am Rania. I'm representing Akhbar al-Yom newspaper from Egypt. Congratulations. And I want to ask you, why Martin is so special to you?
The question is to
him itself?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, for Dhruva.
Martin is special to me in many ways. Like, okay, I have a daughter. She's hardly 20 months old now. For every kids, their father is their first hero. And my daughter will be watching her first movie in theater on October 11th. So I got the opportunity to be my daughter's first hero on screen and off screen as well. So what else can be special than this? It is very, very special to me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Martin commands Hindi reporters to take the authority for the next 15 minutes. Yeah!
Hi, this is Murtaza from Filmy Beat. Dhruva, on your right.
Hi, my question to you is that we recently saw Kalki that did really amazing at the box office. You know, it has set a bar this year because not just in the Telugu language, even in Hindi, it did so well. You know, how do you think that Martin will be able to surpass Prabhas Taro?
Bro, why do you have to even compare? They're all superstars. And honestly, I'm really happy for Team Kalki. They have done something really beyond everything. So I'm really happy for Team Kalki. I just want to congratulate them. And hearing to this question, it reminds me of shloka which is narrated in Bhagavad Gita, where Lord Sri Krishna Paramatma tells Arjuna, Karmanye vadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana, ma karma phale heturbuho ma te sangostva karmani, which says, give your 100% to your work and leave the results to the God. And I think I have done exactly the same thing. I have given my 100% and I've done this movie and left the results to my gods who are my audience. And I address them as my VIPs. Thank you.
Sir, Alok here from Newstainment over here on Street Nagar. Samna, yeah. Hi. Who's your favorite Bollywood actor and one actor you want to work with him in future?
My favorite Bollywood actor is Sanjay Dutt sir.
Why? Any reason why particularly?
And in recent times I got an opportunity to work with Sanjay Dutt sir for my next movie called KD. Honestly, I have good memories working with him, few good memories, and he's not only my favorite actor, he's my uncle's favorite actor, especially my brother's favorite actor, even my producer's favorite actor. So I'm really happy I'm working with Sanjay Dutt sir. He is all-time favorite. He is my
And one
favorite
actor you
actor.
want to work in future? One actor you want to work in future in Bollywood?
I don't mind working with anyone. Honestly, according to me, cinema is bigger than everything. So if cinema requires, I will definitely work with anybody. Thank you.
Hi everyone. This is Ria representing Instant Bollywood. My question is to Dhruva. From South actors like Allu Arjun, Ram Charan, Mahesh Babu, and etc., who do you look up to and would love to work with?
It's really hard to answer. If I had to really pick one, my personal favorite is Junior NTR sir. If I get the right script with right content, I will definitely work with any of them. According to me, as I said, cinema is bigger than all the stars.
Thank you. And my next question is to producer right there. What inspired the storyline of Martin and what were the challenges that you faced?
It's a unique script. So the pattern itself, it's a new way of screenplay what we have adapted. So that inspired me. And making challenges what I have faced is because it has taken a lot of time to organize things and I mean the dates. And the one thing, a special mention here, without my hero Dhruva Sarja's support, because he has transformed his body and he has given his, he said 100, but according to me he has given 200% for this film, and he has stood by this project like a pillar, backbone. And one more thing, Arjun Sarja sir, he has given the story, and he has always guided me, because it is not a small project. It is a magnus project of this stature what we have created. It required lot of support from all my team, my director, my cameraman, my choreographer, my music director and action masters, including our heroine Vaibhavi and Anveshi, and all our production staff, direction department. They all had to stay with us for a so long period. It is not easy for anybody to stay for that much of period, dedicating their time for one film. So in this opportunity, I would like to thank everybody who have stood with me in for the project. So without them, Martin wouldn't have been happening. So I thank again everybody on this occasion that, and I hope everybody what you have seen today, the trailer, I hope you also understand why we have taken 3 years.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
We have many journalists today, so I request everybody to ask one question each. Thank you.
Hi, you're this side. Hello, this is Astha from Awesome TV. First of all, congratulations, Dhruva sir, for being a father. It's of course great. And my question follows up. Does being a father also impact your choices of films?
Ma'am, even before I got married, I had few principles of my own. That I always wanted to do movies for all age groups. Honestly, I have so many kids as my audience. I don't want to do any bad scenes, honestly, yeah, like adultery scenes, something like that, and embarrass my audience. I have never done it before, and I will never do it in future as well. After becoming father, just forget it.
Hello. Hi, this is Riaz Ahmed from MTI News. I have a question to Mr. Dhruva. Sir, right from your beginning, right from your debut films, you have been a sensation. So far, all your films have very good box office records, very good collections. How do you deal with success?
Is this a question or a compliment, sir?
Compliment as well as question, sir.
Anyways, thank you so much. It made me feel good. Thank you so much. I see so many people appreciating me after watching my movies. But when I watch my own movies, all I see is where I can improve myself and do better in my next. I know there are so many people out there who are more talented and thriving for opportunities. I can even see aspiring actors. When that is the case, I don't want to take any of this for granted. I have taken this as profession, and each day I'll try to compete with myself. Yeah, that's it, bro. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Pratham from the Free Press Journal here. My question is to Dhruva. Over the years, so many actors from down south have made inroads in Bollywood. Post the success of this film, which is of this humongous scale, do you see yourself working in Bollywood films as well?
Honestly, there is no bifurcation between Bollywood, Sandalwood, Tollywood, or Collywood. To me, it's all about Indian cinema, and I am an Indian actor. According to me, languages should never be the barrier. Now, because of various OTT platforms, people all over the world can even watch regional movies. That's what I believe in, and that's where India has reached today. So yeah, thank you.
Hello. Hi, Dhruva. This is Jaya here from Bollywood Now. So, as you said, other than Martin, you'll also be seen in the KD as Sanjay Dutt. As you're doing the devil character, if I'm not wrong. I want to know from you, how was your experience with Sanjay Dutt, working experience with Sanjay Dutt, and if some details about it.
Yes, my next movie after Martin is KD.
Yeah.
As I said, I have few good memories working with Sanjay Dutt sir, and yeah, it is produced by Venkat sir. He's a big businessman. He's a passionate producer, and also Suprit sir is the producer, and director of the movie is Prem sir. So let us talk about that in our next press meet. Yeah, in KD's press meet.
Any life-changing moment so far, Dhruva, in your career, both as a person as well as personality, that completely changed the course for you, impacted you to be able to play this character, as well as a journey that completely altered the course for you?
I think it was on June 15th when my movie Adhuri got released in 2012. that hit me hard. When I saw people saying, good job, I think that was the moment. That was the only moment. Yeah. Thank you.
Martin commands Telugu reporters to take control for the next 15 minutes. Yeah.
అర్జున్ గారు ఇక్కడ అర్జున్ గారు.
Yes, sir. Please ask the question. అక్కడే there, right?
మీరు రీసెంట్ డేస్లో తెలుగులో కూడా డైరెక్షన్ చేద్దాం అనుకున్నారు, కానీ ఈ మధ్యకాలంలో పాన్ ఇండియా సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఎక్కువ రావటం, ఆ పాన్ ఇండియా సినిమాలు ఎక్కువ రావటం, దాంతోపాటు కన్నడ సినిమాలు కూడా పాన్ ఇండియా రేంజ్లో ఉండటం వల్ల ఈ సబ్జెక్ట్ మీరు ధృవాన్ని దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని రాశారా? ఒకటి. నెక్స్ట్, మీరే డైరెక్షన్ చేయకుండా వేరే వాళ్ళకి డైరెక్షన్ ఛాన్స్ ఇవ్వటంలో కారణం ఏంటి?
లేదండి, నేను ఇంతకు ముందు చేస్తున్నానని కాదు, ఇప్పుడు కూడా చేస్తున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఫినిష్ అయింది, నేను ఒక సినిమా డైరెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఇంకో 1 వీక్ వర్క్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఉంది అంతే. సో నేను ఇంకొకరికి ఛాన్స్ ఇస్తానన్న మాటే తప్పది. మనం ఎవరికి ఎవరు ఛాన్స్ ఇవ్వటం కాదు. ఇది ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్ అని అనుకొని వీళ్ళిద్దరూ కలిసి సినిమా చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు. సో ఆ సినిమాకి నాకు అది ఇచ్చాను అంతే, వాస్తవం.
ధ్రువ గారు.
ధ్రువ సార్.
సార్, ఇప్పుడు మార్కెట్ ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ అనేది జరుగుతుంది. సార్ హియర్. సో మార్కెట్ ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ జరుగుతుంది, గ్లోబల్ వైడ్ వెళ్తున్నారు. సో ఫస్ట్ మనకి పాన్ ఇండియా మూవీస్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ బాహుబలి గుర్తొస్తుంది, తర్వాత కేజీఎఫ్, సలారీ అంటే ఒక క్యూలా కనిపిస్తున్నాయి. మీకు ఈ మూవీస్లో ఏది ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ పాన్ ఇండియాకి వెళ్ళటానికి? విచ్ మూవీ?
All my uncle movies inspiration, sir.
So now, sir, we are talking about the pan India movies like Bahubali, Salar, KGF, Pushpa, Kantara.
I loved all the movies, honestly. All the movies. Every movie is different, Kani sir. So one is action, one is pure drama, and Kantara is cult movie. So all the movies pass.
Sir, అంటే ఒక హ్యూజ్ యాక్షన్ కనిపిస్తుంది ఈ మూవీలో. యాజ్ అ ఎమోషన్ పార్ట్కి వచ్చేసరికి వాట్ ఈస్ ద కోర్ ఎమోషన్ ఆఫ్ మార్టిన్ అంటే ఏం చెప్తారు?
అది ఉంది సార్ అన్న, లైక్
ఇండియన్ అని ఒకటే
కథ చెప్పకూడదు
కథ కాదు సార్. యాజ్ అ కోర్ ఎమోషన్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు మన సలార్ అంటే ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ గుర్తొస్తుంది, కేజీఎఫ్ అంటే మదర్ సెంటిమెంట్ గుర్తొస్తుంది. లైక్ దట్ మార్టిన్కి ఏంటి ఎమోషన్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ మార్టిన్ ఏంటి?
It is a small drama we have executed in a big way. We have one small drama we are not supposed to reveal because we can say it is a patriotic movie. Yes.
One person ki
Hi.
okkata questions.
Hi sir, I am Venkat, 10 TV from Telugu Media. అర్జున్ సార్కి అడుగుతున్నాను సార్. అక్టోబర్ 10th కంగువ రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది, 11th మార్టిన్ రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. సో క్లాషెస్ రాదా? ఈ రెండు పాన్ ఇండియా సినిమాలే కదా, క్లాషెస్ వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంది కదా?
మనోడే ఆన్సర్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాడు.
ఓకే
సార్, కంగువా మూవీ is releasing on October 10th. Please watch that movie October 10th. This movie is releasing on October 11th. Next day you come and watch this also, sir.
ఓకే సార్, another question.
Sir, one question for each person, sir. Many journalists are waiting.
సౌత్ ఇండియన్ అంటే తెలుగులో మొత్తం కూడా పాన్ ఇండియా స్టార్సే ఉన్నారు కదా, ఈ మూవీలో ఏ స్టార్ అయినా పాన్ ఇండియా స్టార్స్ వాళ్ళు ఏమైనా పెట్టుకున్నారా మార్టిన్ మూవీస్?
We didn't understand the question, sir. Repeat, sir.
ప్రస్తుతం ఏంటంటే మన సినిమాలన్నీ కూడా అదర్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ యాక్టర్స్ని పెట్టుకుంటుంటారు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కల్కీలో చూసుకుంటే బాలీవుడ్ నుంచి సంజయ్ దత్ గారు, ఆ తర్వాత చూస్తుంటే ఇతర ఆర్టిస్టులు అందరిని కూడా ఇలా పెట్టించుకుంటున్నారు. సో మార్కెటింగ్ బడ్జెట్ దాని గురించి. సో ఈ మార్టిన్ మూవీస్లో అదర్ లాంగ్వేజ్ యాక్టర్స్, పర్టికులర్ తెలుగు హీరోస్ని ఎవరైనా పెట్టుకున్నారా, ఆర్టిస్టులని ఎవరైనా?
We don't have any regional actors like that. We have whoever was shooting the role, we have gone with them.
Okay.
Sorry, Posan is there.
పోసాని
పోసాని is there.
ఓకే
Yes,
సార్ అది 14 లాంగ్వేజ్ రిలీజ్ అంటున్నారు కదా, సో అన్ని ఆల్ కంట్రీస్లో రిలీజ్ అవుతున్న మూవీ. సో ఈ మూవీ ఇన్ పాకిస్తాన్ కూడా దీంట్లో మొత్తం కూడా చాలా చూపించడం జరిగింది ట్రైలర్లో. సో ఆ కంట్రీలో కూడా ఈ సినిమా రిలీజ్ చేస్తున్నారా పాకిస్తాన్ ఇన్
అక్కడి నుంచి డిమాండ్ వస్తే డెఫినెట్గా చేస్తా.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಓಕೆ
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಹಂಬಲ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್. ಒಬ್ರು ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಹಂಬಲ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್.
ಸರ್ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಸರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Sir, Rajababu from Filmy Beat. Sir, when you started writing the script, you keep the audience in a global level. Was it started in perfectly pan-global film, sir? Between you changed that script according to the global audience?
లేదండి, బేసిక్గా మంచి సినిమా చేయాలి, బాగా చేయాలి అనుకోవాలి, మంచి క్వాలిటీ సినిమా చేయాలని. ఇప్పుడు కాంతారా అనే ఒక సినిమా వచ్చింది, వాళ్ళు గ్లోబల్ మైండ్లో అనుకొని చేయలేదు, మంచి సినిమా చేయాలనుకున్నారు, చేశారు, అందరికి నచ్చితే అది పాన్ ఇండియన్ సినిమా అయిపోయింది.
ఓకే సార్.
జనం దాన్ని పాన్ ఇండియా సినిమా చేస్తారు.
ఓకే సార్. Dhruv,
Thank you.
one more question.
Sir, please, sir.
I watched trailer now. There is a one punch dialogue. Don't teach your father. Did you say anything like dialogue to you in real life or any situation?
Let us be positive also. Why don't you think this? Don't teach father how to fight.
Martin commands power to Tamil press for the next 15 minutes. Yeah!
சார் துருவா சார், இந்த கேள்வி உங்களுக்காக. திஸ் இஸ் ரோகிணி ஃப்ரம் குமுதம். சார், படத்தில் வந்து நிறைய கன்ஸ் ஹேண்டில் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க, அப்புறம் நிறைய ஆக்ஷன் சீக்வன்சஸை பயங்கரமாக அசால்ட்டாக ஹேண்டில் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க. ஒரு சீனில் ராட்வைலர் கூட பிஸ்கட் ஷேர் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க, அதை எப்படி ஹேண்டில் பண்ணீங்க?
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். அந்த டாக் ரொம்ப ஃபெரோஷியஸ் மேடம். ஆக்சுவலி ஷூட்டிங் when we were shooting, it was very hungry. And my director told we should finish the shot in time. So it was on spot improvisation. I just took my biscuit and my Satya Gide sir, he helped me out, and my director told, okay, all the best. If it's bite, don't tell your uncle that I made you shoot this, he told. Then I was scared. When I was like, I went near, it was doing sound grrr, and finally it happened. Even I was scared, honestly. Yeah. It was very, very ferocious.
Shalini here from Kungumam magazine. Arjun sir, Action King Arjun sir, உங்ககிட்ட ஒரு question. First of all, உங்களுக்கு advance happy birthday. And sports or cinema, ஸோ ரெண்டுமே நம்ம வந்து இந்தியா வர்சஸ் பாகிஸ்தான்னு பார்க்கும்போது அதை ஒரு வாராகவே பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். ஆல்ரெடி சண்டை போட்டுட்டு இருக்கோம். ஈவன் உங்கள் ஜெய்ஹிந்த் மூவி டேஸ்லேருந்து இது தொடர்கதையாகவே இருக்குது. இது ஹெல்த்தி வேவா? இது ஒரு ஹெல்த்தி ஆரோக்கியமானதாக பார்க்குறீங்களா?
நீங்கள் ஒரு பெரிய கேள்வி கேட்குறீங்க, இதுக்கு நிறைய பேசுகிற மாதிரி கேட்குறீங்க. இப்போது என்னை பொறுத்த வரைக்குங்க, எந்த நாட்டில் இருந்தாலும் மக்கள் எல்லாம் ஒன்று தான். இந்தியாவில் இருக்கிறவங்க, பாகிஸ்தானில் இருக்கிறவங்க, அவங்கெல்லாம் நார்மலாக நம்ம மாதிரி தான் எல்லாம் இருப்பாங்க. இந்த தலைவர்கள் தான் இதனுடைய டிஃப்ரென்ஸு. ஒரு தலைவன் வந்து இந்தியான்னா எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும், எனக்கு ரொம்ப உயிர், எனக்கு தலைவன் பேசினான்னு வச்சுங்க, எங்களுக்கு வந்து அந்த ஊர் மேலேயே அந்த நாட்டு மேலேயே நமக்கு ஒரு காதல் வருது. எப்படியாவது இந்த நாட்டை வந்து நான் அழிச்சு காட்டுறேன் அப்படின்னு ஒருத்தன் சொன்னான்னு வச்சுங்களேன், அந்த நாட்டில் இருக்கிறவங்க எல்லார் மேலேயும் எங்களுக்கு வந்து அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு இது வருது. ஸோ இது வந்து டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் வந்து இந்த தலைவர்கள் தான், மக்கள் எல்லாம் ஒன்று தான். ஸோ இந்த ஒரு பிரச்சனையால் தான் ஒரு இந்தியாவோ ஒரு பாகிஸ்தானோ இங்கே ஏதாவது ஒன்று நடந்ததுன்னா அந்த ஒரு சின்ன மக்களுக்குள்ளே அது இருக்கும். ஆன்சர் பண்ணுண்ணா.
சார் அர்ஜுன் சார், தேவராஜ்
வாங்க போற நீ சொல்லு நீ.
சார், மார்ட்டின் படம் கதை எழுதும்போது இது எந்த கதை களத்தின் பின்னணி வந்துட்டு இது வரைக்கும் யாருமே சொல்லவே இல்லை. அவரோட கேரக்டர் பற்றி சொல்ல தேவையில்லை. இது எந்த கதைக்களம், இது எந்த தேசபக்தியில் எந்த பகுதியை வந்துட்டு இது சொல்லுது, அதுக்கப்புறம் எத்தனை பார்ட் இது வந்து வருது, இதில் நீங்கள் நடிச்சிருக்கீங்களா?
நான் அதை முன்னாடி சொன்னேன், அது அடி வாங்க போறேன் நீ சொல்லிட்டு. நாட்டுப்பற்றுல எந்த ஒரு களம் அப்படின்னு கேட்டேன், எப்படி சொல்றது? இல்லை கண்ணா, இது வந்து இல்லை இல்லை இல்லை, இது ஒரு நல்ல கமர்ஷியல் ஆன ஒரு கதை. ஸோ கமர்ஷியல்னா நமக்கு தெரியும் இல்லையா, எல்லா இன்க்ரீடியன்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கும் இதில். வந்து ஃபைட்டு, ஒரு சாங்கு, காமெடி, எமோஷன்ஸ், சென்டிமெண்ட்ஸு எல்லாம் கலந்த ஒரு கலவை இது. ஸோ இது வந்து இவருக்கு, இவருடைய இமேஜுக்கு நான் எழுதுனா எப்படியும் இருக்கும், இதில் புதுமையாக வேற இருக்கணும். இவருடைய 5வது படம், ப்ரொடியூசர் வந்து பெரிய லெவலில் செலவு பண்ணுறதுக்கு ரெடியாக இருக்காங்க. ஸோ இதில் என்ன பண்ணலாம் தானே சார், என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு புதுசாக எழுதியிருக்கு. நிச்சயமாக இது ஸ்க்ரீன் பிளே வந்து கேரண்டி உங்களுக்கு, எஸ்பெஷலி இந்த இன்ட்ரோல் அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் ரொம்ப சொல்லக்கூடாது. பாரு, ஜாஸ்தி பேசக்கூடாது. பார்த்தியா, அவ்வளோதான்.
துரு, உங்களுக்கு இந்த கேள்வி. நான் ஜெயந்தன், தி ஹிந்து தமிழ்லேருந்து. ஒரு கம்ப்ளீட் ஆக்டர் அப்படின்னு வரும்போது வெர்சடைல் கேரக்டர்ஸ் பண்ணணும். நீங்கள் வந்து உங்கள் ஃபிசிக்கை வந்து இப்போது ஆர்ம்ஸே 22 இன்ச்சு வந்து பில்டப் பண்ணி வச்சுருக்கீங்க. ஸோ வந்து வெர்சடைல் கேரக்டர் பண்ண முடியுமா? இந்த ஃபிசிக்கோட நீங்கள் தொடர்ந்து மாஸ் கேரக்டர்ஸ் மட்டும்தான் பண்ண முடியும், ஃபுல் ஆக்ஷன் பேக்டு கேரக்டர்ஸ் தான் பண்ண முடியும். வெர்சடைல் கேரக்டர் பண்ணுறதுல உங்களுக்கு விருப்பம் இல்லையா?
ரைட் நோ இப்போது 22 kgs குறைஞ்சிட்டேன் சார் ஃபார் மை நெக்ஸ்ட் மூவி கேடிக்கு. ஐ எம் ட்ரைங் ஆல் ஜானர்ஸ் ஆஸ் அன் ஆக்டர். I'm trying all possible genres. Back in those days, there was so many good movies like Bangarada Panjara, Anta, Ganeshana Madave, Gentleman, Mudalvan, Nayagan, Sholay, Apocalypto. So many movies. It is very hard to, like, it is very tough job to bring out all the emotions within 150 minutes. And they were all blockbusters because all the actors played as director wanted. So in the movie, director sir sonnaru 20-25 kgs you should build annu sonnaru. So panne அடுத்த மூவி கேடி என்ன பண்ணுறேன், பிரேம் சார் அவர் சொன்னார் எனக்கு லீனாக வேணும்னு சொன்னார். இப்போ அது ட்ரை பண்ணுறேன். அடுத்த மூவி டைரக்டர் என்ன கேட்குறாரோ அது பண்ணுறதுக்கு ட்ரை பண்ணுறேன். I'll explore all the genres, bro. Thank you.
Hi sir. Hello sir. Vimal from Tandi TV. A question for Dhruv sir. சார், நெக்ஸ்ட் சூப்பர் ஸ்டார், நெக்ஸ்ட் தளபதி அப்படிங்கிற இடத்தெல்லாம் வந்து வேறு வேறு பேர் ஃபில் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க. ஆக்ஷன் கிங் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு பேர் இன்னும் யாரும் ஃபில் பண்ணலை. அவரோட டைரக்ஷனில்
அது யாரும் ஃபில் பண்ண முடியாது.
அவரோட டைரக்ஷன்ல நீங்க எப்போ நடிக்க போறீங்க? அதுக்கான ஐடியாஸ் இருக்கா? கதை சொல்லியிருக்காரா எதுவும்?
அங்கிள் சான்ஸ் கொடுத்தா டெஃபினெட்லி பண்ணுறேன் ப்ரோ. வி ஹாவ் பிளான் ஆக்சுவலி. கம்மிங் இயர்ஸ் வி வில் டெஃபினெட்லி we will do in our own banner. Yes boss, thank you.
Dhruv, over here, Bharat from News Today. On the middle, in the center. Right. You were just saying you lost 22 kilos, you put up, you again became beefy. I mean, inniki we are living around people who are most fitness freaks. So like, what is the advice that you are going to give to people who say they are obese or they want to get down their weight in a natural way?
Every day 3 times you should do 30 seconds workout, morning, afternoon and evening, sir. He'll explain you how.
ஏற்கனவே இது சொல்லியிருக்கு. See, basically they're talking about how to lose weight, and I think this I've already told. It's not even 30 seconds. It's like 10 seconds a day, yeah, 3 times a day you can lose your weight. Basically starts from morning, and if your mother brings very nice breakfast in front of you, you should just nod your head like this. And again, in the afternoon, there will be a nice biryani in front of you. You should again nod. The second time, third time, it will be very, very tasty. They'll bring so many things. And nod should be for 3 seconds, 4 seconds then. Then you have to do like this. So automatically you will lose weight. That's what he's trying to ask me to explain.
சார் கார்த்திக் ஃப்ரம் இந்தியா கிளிட் சார் அர்ஜுன் சாருக்கு சார் ஆக்சுவலி இப்போ நேஷ்னல் அந்தம் பாடுறதுக்கு எல்லாருமே எழுந்து நிற்கிறாங்க அண்ட் ஃப்ளாகை ரெஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க. அதை தாண்டி ஒரு பேட்ரியாட்டிக்காக உண்மையாக இருக்கணும்னா உங்களோட அட்வைஸ் என்ன சார்? ஹவு டு ஷோ அவர் பேட்ரியாட்டிக் டுவர்ட்ஸ் த நேஷன், ரியல் வே ஆஃப் ஷோவிங்?
இல்லைங்க, being patriotic is not only national, singing national anthem. You should be true to yourself. You should, there are so many things. There's so many things. Be kind to people. That's again an expression of being patriotic. நிறைய விஷயங்கள் இருக்குது பேட்ரியாட்டிக்காக இருக்கிறதுக்கு. நம்ம நாடு அப்படிங்கிறது மட்டும் கிடையாது. ஒருத்தனை பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு be nice to people, help poor. இதெல்லாம் தான் பேட்ரியாட்டிசம்.
Martin commands Malayalam reporters to take control for the next 15 minutes. I mean 15 minutes!
My question to Ms. Maybe ma'am. You did some Tamil movies already. What is the difference between in Kollywood industry and the difference between the Kannada industry?
In my experience, I would say...
First of all, sorry, I am Yuvraj from Polymer News, from
hi,
Tamil
Yuvraj.
media.
In my experience, I would say, for me, when I come from Mumbai, I'm born and brought up in Mumbai. So, of course, language is very different down south, may it be in Karnataka or Tamil Nadu. So, मेरे लिए experience बहुत प्यारा था. I would say it is not different because we all are Indians again. We know hospitality. Our producers are all very careful when they take care of their actors. So my experience was not different. It was the best in all the industries that I've worked so far.
Good evening. I am Sumesh Madhu from Kerala Kamadi. Arjun sir, here. Sir, ഒരു റൈറ്റർ സ്ക്രിപ്റ്റ് റൈറ്റർ എന്നതിലുപരി ഒരു ഗസ്റ്റ് റോൾ പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കാവോ ഈ സിനിമയിൽ? ആക്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടോ? Sir, can we expect a guest role, a surprise guest role in the movie?
Me acting in this movie?
Yes.
No. I'm
Why,
not
sir?
there in this movie. I'm only a technician.
Hi Dhruv, I am Vishnu. Hi, here I am Vishnu from Malayalam Manorama. We the people of Kerala have always welcomed Kannada movies with open arms, and we love, we celebrate, and we support them bullheadedly. And my doubt is, you look so cute, then how you are handling this much violence, and why you are guys promoting violence as a core to attract audience worldwide?
Initially, I told my debut director not to name me as Action Prince. So they all gave me Action Prince, everything. Because my godfather is Action King, they named me as Action Prince. As an audience, I love to watch and do love movies, which I did for my first 4 movies are my love stories. And this is the only movie I've done action. Yes, boss. Thank you.
Yes.
And thank you for showing love.
Thank you.
And I think we have two beautiful, gorgeous heroines. Yeah, you can ask questions to our heroines.
Hi, Anvishi.
Hi.
I'm Joel from Reporter.
Hi.
Okay, how was the role? You said you did a role of gangster.
Yeah.
Oh, how was the role, and what was the challenges, major challenges?
So I think it was a fabulous role, and I think this is one of the most enjoyed, and I think I felt that I fit in, and that was a vision of the director and the team to see me that way, which I had not even considered or thought it was possible. As far as challenges are concerned, the shoot was so much fun. It was so much of adrenaline rush, and I loved the looks. Apparently, if you'll see the way I'm looking, the outfits, the costume, and the way I'm holding the guns and shooting, and I'm Martin's girlfriend, so how he is everything to me in the film. I think all of that was amazing. The only place where I felt that it was little bit out of hand for me personally was the action sequences. Despite having hardnesses and everything, the jumping and everything, I think I could have like fumbled there a little bit, which was a challenge for me. But overall, it was a wonderful, wonderful experience for me.
Okay, what about the current Mollywood movies? Did you watch the current movies, Avesham or Manjumal Boys, any movies
Right.
like that?
Of course, I have watched all of them. Manjumal Boys I have seen, and Avesham. And I'm a big fan of South films, and because of Martin, I'm waiting for Martin to release, and I'm following Kannada cinema as well eventually. So I think I'm finding myself more and more inclined towards South cinema as I work in it and as I watch brilliant storytelling coming out, you know. And I'm so proud and lucky and blessed to be a part of Martin, which is the biggest film that I have ever worked on personally myself.
Martin says, Despas!
Thank you for saying that.
ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ
ऐसा कैसा सिफारिश चल रहा है? अच्छा सर, प्लीज गो.
ಸರ್ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ವಿಸ್ತಾರ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ. ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್ಡಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯಿಂದ ಚಿರು ಸರ್ಜನ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ನೀವು ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಧ್ರುವ ಸರ್ಜನ ಅಂತ. ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೇನಾದರೂ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಒಂದು ಕತೆ ನೀವು ಬರೆದು ಧ್ರುವ ಸರ್ಜಾಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋವಂಥದ್ದು. ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು, ನಿಮ್ಮಿಬ್ಬರು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲ್ವುಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ಗಳು ತುಂಬ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತು ಧ್ರುವ ಸರ್ಜಾ ಅವ್ರ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಅಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ ಅಂತ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕತೆ ಆಗಲಿ 2-3 ಕತೆ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮುಂದೆ ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಸೇರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಾನೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸೇರಿ ವಿ ವುಡ್ ಲವ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್.
Thank you so much, Ashok sir. Yes.
That's all we have for you. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
No. Before we finish, I just want to thank few people.
Yes, sir.
Please.
I just want to thank my technicians, especially Ravi Verma Master, Ravi Basur sir, Imran Master, Satyagada sir, Murali Master, and my debut director A.P. Arjun sir, and Anveshi Jain ma'am, and my lion-hearted producer Uday sir and Vaibhavi ma'am, especially my godfather, my uncle. And I also want to thank KVN sir and Saregama Anand sir and Suprit sir also, and Navarasan sir and Nitin sir, and for you also.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so
and
much.
Shamira ma'am.
Thank
Thank you so much. And let's wind up, and please shower us your love. Thank you so much. Jai Anjalaya!
Jai Anjanaya, of course.
Sorry, please. Jai Anjalaya! Thank you so much.
हनुमान जी के इतने बड़े भक्त हैं, of course, ध्रुव भाई. So yes, बनता है. That's all we have for you. We'll have a quick photo op with this entire team. Yes, Uday sir.